Hey friends, if you wish to fix Opera browser not opening on loading pages in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for Opera in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. See if this helps in fixing it. Usually it may open the Opera browser because it does require administrator permissions at times. Now if this doesn't help, then try the following solutions. Search for Opera in the Windows search bar, click on uninstall. Okay, search for it in the apps page once again. Click on these three dots, uninstall and uninstall it, and then uninstall it completely and then uninstall it. Remove it completely. Once this is done, do not reinstall it from the original website. That will be a problem. Search for Store in the Windows search bar. Go to Microsoft Store, search for Opera, hit enter, go to the Opera browser, click on install and let it install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.